come here to code. This page is gonna keep refreshing the page, and at some point it will come to work. It seems like they have a lot of pages, or the Git actually is a bit busy. We do like that. We save. Okay, we had not saved, that the problem. Now GitHub page source saved, right? If it's saved, is when we come here and refresh. Then when you refresh, you can see it has not formatted, it has not done. Can still refresh again, and it has come. This one over here. So if you take this, you can take this and you can Control C, and you come somewhere like any new page, you paste that there, and when you hit the run, you see it is display your page very clean. And that's how you can host the simple web page at the GitHub. Thank you, and meet you next time.